Hey everybody, Michael Snyder, California Weather Watch. Today is June 22nd. Right now we are looking at the visible satellite imagery. You can see yesterday morning we had pretty good marine there into some of the coastal areas here. Interior areas were pretty clear except the ongoing thunderstorms we had yesterday morning across Utah and Nevada here. And watch as we scroll through the day yesterday, you can see this thunderstorm activity ongoing. Look at all these lightning producing and some flooding out there across some portions of Arizona and Utah as well. I'll scroll all the way through the nighttime hours. You can see we had some after dark action there across Arizona as well, getting some monsoon moisture back up into the region now. And as we scroll through this one, you can still see that cloud cover across portions of Arizona. You can have some thunderstorm activity associated with this monsoon moisture. It's going to try to creep into portions of California, southern Nevada. It will include Utah and Arizona as well, and portions of New Mexico. And you can see that the marine layer this morning here kind of hit and miss up and down the coastline here, but trying to push into some of the San Diego metro area. Looks like the Los Angeles metro mostly clear for right now, and you can see interior areas pretty clear also. And you can see that already burning back as I scroll through the end portion there. If we take a look at the Bay Area, I like to scroll through this, and if we look at yesterday, you can see how the winds are stronger just off over the water, and it creates some of these eddies there right off the coastline there. You can see them spinning and bouncing around across the Bay Area, and then kind of burn off a little bit as we go through the afternoon hours here, but not too much. You can see some places never truly break out. Then we go through the nighttime hours back to this morning here, and you can see it is burning off for some of the Bay Area as we speak. Now, if we take a look here at calfire.gov, you can go ahead and click on any one of these individual icons and see what fires are ongoing, how big they are, how much of those fires are contained. You can see what kind of structures were destroyed and how many resources they're putting towards those fires. Now, we've got some heat going on. Today's probably going to be the warmest day. You can see Trinity Center at 97. Look at Clear Lake 100, Lakeport 99. This is Eureka, California. It was put out yesterday here. But yeah, it's going to be pretty warm here, and it's going to stay that way. We're going to drop off a little bit as we go through next week. We're not going to drop off too much. And this is the heat advisory today. It does include a lot of the interior areas, even getting out towards the coastline near Big Sur and Gorda there. But of course, the late morning to the late evening hours is going to be the most warm time here for the day. And you can see hot temperatures ahead. Again, this is for today, Saturday. Look at some of these temperatures getting out towards 106 there. You guys know how to beat the heat. You don't need me to tell you that. Heat hazards in effect Saturday through Thursday as well across Southern California. Again, interior areas does include the I-5 corridor and Bakersfield. Pyramid Lake, check it out. Excessive heat watch, Big Pine Mountain, Acton. So yeah, heads up for that activity there. And if we look off in towards Las Vegas, Death Valley, look at Death Valley, 120 by Sunday here. You can see Lake Havasu pushing 112, and there is the chance of some straight thunderstorm activity out for some of these locations. You can see this especially Sunday. You can see Mount Charleston, Lake Mead, Lake Havasu does have that little thunderstorm signal there on the National Weather Service Las Vegas forecast. We also have this, and check out this little misspelling here, Sunday. Yeah, kind of interesting there. But anyway, you can see we do have thunderstorm potential here across Arizona into portions of Southern California, Southeastern California, I should say. So the desert areas could get a thunderstorm or two. And you can see again on Monday, and we'll take a look at that in a little bit more detail in the high resolution model starting right now. This is what the Doppler radar may look like today. Remember those clouds we saw in the visible satellite imagery there across Arizona? You can see some of this activity with that monsoon moisture trying to creep up the Baja Peninsula here towards the peninsular range and try to get to the border areas by the time we go towards Sunday morning, because that could include Las Vegas, Lake Mead out here, and some of these are definitely going to be lightning producers and prolific lightning producers at that, and some flash flooding is going to be possible with some of those storms here across some of Utah, Arizona, and even portions of Nevada and extreme southeastern California over the next couple of days. This is total precipitation in inches in the high resolution model. This goes out 48 hours, and you can see that some of these individual locations could be picking up an inch or two with some of those gully washers out there. And you can see the Sierra Madre down here. The monsoon season is starting to fire up. Now, if we take a look at the GFS, we're going to scroll through the 2-week period here, and you can see it does kind of clip California here, maybe a day of thunderstorms here as we go through next week. But you can see the monsoon season starting to come to life here as we start to head off into the early portion of July. Pretty typical for this time of year, but you can really see it across some of the higher terrain of Mexico there. Now, taking a look at the tropical outlook, nothing expected here over the next 48 hours right now, so we're doing good there. And plus, it takes a while for anything to develop to actually get up towards, Baja or Southern California or Southwest USA. So plenty of time to worry about that. 6 to 10 day, this goes all the way through July 1st, and you can see the above average signal for a lot of the southwest here, but some in Northern California and Nevada are included in that below average. We'll see how that works out. This is the 6 to 10 day precipitation below normal for portions of California, but you can see that monsoon season starting to get fired up, trying to get into extreme southeastern California. This is the 8 to 14 day. You can see kind of this widespread above average across a lot of the lower 48, including the southwest, a little below average there for the Pacific Northwest. And again, that monsoon moisture showing up in the 8 to 14 day precipitation outlook with a below average there across a lot of the Intermountain West and California, mainly central and northern. Now, and one more time here, you again go to calfire.gov if you want to check out these individual fires. And for example, I clicked on the post fire. You can see it's about 16,000 acres, 76% contained, and it's in Los Angeles in Ventura County. It's the I-5 corridor here. So I have some friends driving down here across I-5 today. So they're probably going to be able to see that smoke out there as they drive by. So interesting stuff. But yeah, if you want to go ahead and check that out, again, CalFire, yeah, ca.gov. But yeah, anyway, I am back from Dust Devil chasing. They're out for a couple of days across eastern Washington. Yeah, I'm back at home. It's good to be home as always, and I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. It's free to click subscribe down there, and if you want to monetarily support the channel, click on that join button down below here if you want to do that. But again, much thanks to everybody who's helped support this channel. You guys make these briefings possible, and we will continue to look forward to more active weather here across California. It's eventually going to be coming here, so we'll continue to just break things down day by day. Hope you guys are enjoying the daily briefings here. But anyway, click like and subscribe. We'll do this again tomorrow, and I will talk to you guys then.